Hello there! Want to know how to customize the system tray icons on your Windows 7-based PC? Let me give you the steps for it. Just follow me. If you don't want to see any icons on your taskbar, simply click on the icon and then drag it to the Show Hidden Icons up arrow. If you want a hidden icon to be available on your taskbar, click the up arrow. You can drag that icon to the taskbar. The icon moves to the notification area of the taskbar and is removed from the pop-up notification area. You can also manually customize the notification area by clicking the Customize link on the pop-up. The notification area icons screen on the control panel displays. Notice that the program we moved to the visible part of the notification area on the taskbar is listed at the top of the list with the Show Icon and Notifications option selected. This option makes the icon visible at all times on the taskbar. To make other icons visible at all times on the taskbar, scroll down in the list until you find the desired program. Select Show Icon and Notifications from the drop-down list. Click the Turn System Icons On or Off link at the bottom of the notification area icon screen. The System Icon screen displays. Select Off from the drop-down list for each system icon you don't want to display. To return to the notification area icon screen, click the Customize Notifications Icons link. Click OK on the windows to apply the changes. Finally, click OK to close the notification area icons window. See how simple it was? Go ahead, have fun with your PC. At any point in time, if you face issues with your PC, just call iYogi. Good karma.